If you're currently considering the purchase of an off-grid or backup power system for your home, business, or mobile application, and are researching which products will best meet your needs, we would like to offer one piece of advice that can help you make a confident, well-informed decision. Drawing on nearly 30 years of experience in the renewable energy industry, this is one of the most important recommendations we can share. When evaluating product recommendations on YouTube, exercise caution with videos centered around unboxings, quick reviews, teardowns, or basic installation walkthroughs. While these videos may be entertaining or helpful for seeing a product out of the box, they rarely provide meaningful insight into long-term reliability, engineering quality, or real-world performance. Instead, we strongly recommend conducting thorough due diligence on any brand or model of solar system component you are considering. One simple and highly effective step is to search for documented consumer complaints. For example, enter the product's model name followed by the word complaints into Google's search bar. This quick search can reveal a consolidated view of real-world user experiences, as Google aggregates feedback and reports from a wide range of credible sources across the internet. Reviewing this information can provide valuable insight into product reliability, recurring performance issues, and long-term customer satisfaction, helping you make a far more informed purchasing decision before investing in your system.
Looking for power that won't let you down. DIY solar's the talk of the town. They got the juice, they got the spark, lighting up dreams when the nights get dark. Best price, best service, it's what they do. Power your life with a system that's true. No grid, no limits, just free energy. DIYsolar.com is the one for me. The sun's your friend and the grid's your foe. I pay for power when the sun's a go. They got the tech, they got the brains. DIY solar breaks the chains. No more bills, no more sighs.
We use only the finest inverters and switchgear in our DIY battery backup systems. Our 10-kilowatt iron core inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, it's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market.
Into the sun, it's a golden stream, fueling your life like a solar dream. No wires, no ties, just a brighter scene. DIY solar keeps it green.